Class 9th Science Chapter 14 Substances in Common Use. We will see question and answers before starting the workshop. Hi friends, welcome in our own teacher channel. Subscribe my channel and touch the bell icon to get the notification of new video. Question 1. Fill in the blanks. 1. The number of molecules of water of crystallization in washing soda is 10. The chemical name of baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. 3. Iodine 123 is used in treatment of hyperthyroidism. 4. The chemical name of Teflon is polytetrafluoroethene. Question 2. Match the pairs. Answers are directly given. Group A and Group B. Saturated brine. Crystallization of salt. Fused salt. Sodium metal fridge. CaOCl2. Oxidation of color. NaHCO3. Basic salt. Question 3. Write answers to the following. What is meant by radioactivity? The spontaneous emission of invisible, highly penetrating and high energy radiation by elements having high atomic number such as uranium, thorium, radium, etc. is called radioactivity. B. When is said to be the nucleus unstable? The number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus determines whether a nucleus will be stable or unstable. Too many neutrons and protons disturb the balance as the binding energy is not strong enough to hold the nucleus together. This makes the nucleus unstable. C. Which diseases are caused by artificial food colors? 1. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. 2. Degenerative diseases of kidneys, liver, etc. 3. Abdominal pain. 4. Cancer. 5. Hypertension, etc. D. Where in the industrial field is radioactivity used? 1. Internal cracks and voids in cast iron articles and iron solder can be detected with the help of gamma rays. 2. For this purpose, isotopes like cobalt-60, iridium-192 are used in radiotherapy camera. 3. This technique is used for detecting flaws in metal work. E. Write down properties of Teflon. 1. Teflon is a poor conductor of electricity. 2. Its melting point is high, 327 degrees Celsius, so high temperature does not affect. 3. It is not affected by atmosphere and chemical substances. 4. It is non-sticky and reduces friction between the food and the material to which it is applied. F. What type of colors will you use to celebrate eco-friendly Rang Panchami and why? I should use natural or herbal holy colors which are 100% skin safe, non-toxic, chemical free and environmental friendly. These colors can be natural extracts of fruits, flowers, leaves and herbs for excellent aroma. Example, we can obtain red color from dried peel of pomegranate mixed with a rose or hibiscus flower. Green from a mixture of henna, spinach and mint. Yellow from turmeric and gram flour. Brown from tea or coffee leaves, etc. G. Why has the use of methods like Teflon coating become more common? 1. Teflon is non-sticky and reduces friction between the materials to which it is applied. 2. Teflon is a poor conductor of electricity. 3. It is not affected by atmosphere and chemical substances. 4. Teflon coated materials are also easy to clean. So, Teflon coating has become more common in various appliances. Question 4. Give scientific explanation. 1. Bleaching powder has the odor of chlorine. Bleaching powder undergoes slow decomposition in the presence of carbon dioxide in air. This reaction forms chlorine gas. Hence, bleaching powder has an odor of chlorine. 2. The hard water of a well becomes soft on adding washing soda to it. The hardness of water in the well is due to the presence of chloride and sulfate of calcium and magnesium in it. On addition of washing soda to hard water, chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium get converted to their insoluble carbonate salts. These insoluble salts can be separated out to obtain soft water. Thus, hard water turns soft after adding washing soda. 3. Soap forms a precipitate in hard water. Hardness of water is due to the presence of sulfates and chlorides of calcium or magnesium ions. Soaps are sodium or potassium salts of long chain fatty acids. When soap is added to hard water, the calcium and magnesium ions present in hard water react with soap. The sodium salts present in soaps are converted to their corresponding calcium and magnesium salts, which are precipitated as scum. This scum is observed as a precipitate in hard water. 4. The particles of powder are given an electric charge while spraying them to form the powder coating. While spraying the powder on a polished metal surface, the particles of the powder are given an electric charge so that they can be easily directed to the target and form a uniform layer of film on the metal surface. 5. The aluminium article is used as an anode in the anodizing process. Anodizing process involved electrolysis. Dilute acid is taken in the electrolytic cell and the aluminium article which acts as the anode is dipped in it. On passing electric current through the electrolyte, hydrogen gas is released at the cathode and oxygen gas is released at the anode. This oxygen gas reacts with aluminium and a layer of hydrated aluminium oxide is formed on it. As the protective layer is formed on the anode, it is necessary to use aluminium article as the anode in the anodizing process. 6. When the radiation coming out from certain radioactive substance is passed through an electric field, marks are found at 3 places on the photographic plate placed in its path. One type of radiation deviated slightly towards the negatively charged plate called the alpha rays. Second type of radiation deviated towards the positively charged a plate called the beta rays, while the third type of radiation did not deviate at all in the electric field called the gamma rays. Due to these three different types of emitted radiations, marks are found at three places on the photographic plate placed in its path. 7. A certain type of ceramic tiles are fixed on the outer layer of a space shuttle. Ceramics can withstand high temperatures without decomposing. This insulation prevents heat transfer to the underlying orbital metal skin and structure. Therefore, ceramic tiles are fixed on the outer layer of a space shuttle. Question 5. Write answers to the following. A. Write about artificial food colors, the substances used in them and their harmful effects. Artificial food colors are dyes, pigments or substances that impart color when it is added to food or drink. They are available in the form of powders, gels and pastes. They are used both in commercial food production and in domestic cooking. Certain colors and essences are added to ice cream, ice candies, sauce, fruit juice, pickle, jam and jelly. Food colors are also added to packaged meat, chili powder, turmeric powder, sweets, etc. so as to enhance their color. Artificial food colors contain various chemicals which are mainly derived from petroleum and is used after its processing, that is brilliant blue, fast green, tetrazine, sunset yellow, etc. Harmful effects of artificial food colors. Diseases such as attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, degenerative diseases of kidneys, liver, abdominal pain, hypertension, cancer are caused by artificial food colors. B. What is meant by water of crystallization? Give example of salts with water of crystallization and their uses. The definite number of water molecules present in the crystal structure of a salt is called water of crystallization. The crystalline nature and color of salts are due to water of crystallization present in them. On heating or on exposure to air, salts lose water of crystallization and the crystalline shape of that part of the salt is lost. 1. Alum is used in the process of water purification, blood coagulation as a preservative. 2. Borax is a component of detergents as an ingredient in enamels, glaze and cosmetics. 3. Epsom salt is used as a mordant in dyeing and tanning industry. 4. Barium chloride is used in wastewater treatment, purification of brine solution in caustic chlorine plants, etc. C. Write briefly about the three methods of electrolysis of sodium chloride. 1. When an electric current is passed through a saturated solution of sodium chloride, it is electrolyzed and hydrogen gas is released at the cathode, while chlorine gas is released at the anode. This method is used for production of chlorine gas. In this method, an important basic compound, sodium hydroxide, is formed in the cell. 2. When salt is heated to a high temperature, it melts. This is called the fused state of the salt. 3. When fused salt is electrolyzed chlorine gas is released at the anode and liquid sodium metal at the cathode. Question 6. Write the uses. 1. Anodizing. Anodized cooking vessels are used as the metal cannot leach into the food. An anodized finish is important for appliances such as refrigerators, microwave oven, coffee brewers, etc., as it offers increased durability and an all-weather resistance. Anodizing prevents corrosion as the anodized layer forms a protective coating on the metal. 2. Powder coating. Powder coating is often used on the front and side panel of refrigerators. Powder coating is done to obtain the shiny red color on the metal surface of fire extinguishers. All the metal clad furnitures are powder coated to resist corrosion. 3. Radioactive substances. 1. Radioactive substances are used during the manufacturing process of metal and plastic sheets to measure the thickness, density and level. 2. Internal cracks and voids in cast iron articles and iron solders can be detected with the help of gamma rays. 3. The radioactive substances radium, promethium, tritium with some phosphor are used to make certain objects visible in the dark. 4. Radioactive substances are used to prepare luminous colors to decorate ceramic tiles, utensils, plates, etc. 4. Ceramic. Mangalore roofing tiles, terracotta articles, construction bricks, pottery, etc. are various ceramic articles that are commonly used. Ceramics are used in electrical instruments for coating the interior of a crane, the outer surface of ships, and blades of jet engines. A certain type of ceramic tiles are fixed on the outer layer of a space shuttle. Certain type of ceramics are also used as a superconductors. Question 7. Write the harmful effects. 1. Artificial dye. 1. Dyeing hair can have adverse effect to hair fall, damage to hair texture, burning of skin, adverse effect on eyes, etc. 2. Lipstick contain a dye named caramine. It does not affect the lips but causes stomach disorders. 2. Artificial food color. 1. Food color added to pickle, jam and sauce contains small quantities of lead and mercury. These metals can be harmful for those who consume these products regularly. 2. Diseases like ADHD can affect children due to excessive consumption of food with added food color. 3. Radioactive substances. 1. The central nervous system is affected by radioactive radiations. 2. The radioactive paint on the watch can cause cancer. 3. Hereditary defects are generated by bombardment of radiation on DNA in the body. 4. The radioactive pollutants created due to the explosion enter the body through air and it is difficult to control them. 4. Deodorant. 1. Aluminium, zirconium compounds are the most harmful chemicals in the deodorant. Disorders like headache, asthma and respiratory disorders, heart disease are likely to occur without our knowledge. 2. There is a possibility of various skin disorders and also skin cancer due to the aluminium chlorohydrate. Question 8. Write the chemical formula. 1. Bleaching powder CaOCl2. 2. Common salt NaCl. 3. Baking soda NaHCO3. 4. Washing soda Na2CO3H2O. Question 9. Explain what you see in the following picture. The picture refers to the process of powder coating. Powder coating is a method of applying a layer harder than paint on the surface of an iron object to prevent rusting. In this method, a polymer resin, a pigment, and some other ingredients are mixed, cooled, and ground into a uniform powder. This powder is sprayed on the polished metal surface by electrostatic spray deposition. In this method, the particles of the powder are given an electrostatic charge, due to which a uniform layer of the powder sticks to the metal surface. Then the object is heated in the oven along with the coating. A chemical reaction occurs in the layer, resulting in a formation of long cross-linked polymeric chains. This powder coating is highly durable, hard, and attractive. Powder coating can be done on plastic and medium density fiber board in day-to-day use as well. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Again, if you have any queries, then please comment me. Till then, bye.